Advanced implant prosthetics. After we talk about in our first part about basic implant prosthodontics, let us travel the way and give you a detailed data about advanced implant prosthodontics. We'll talk about what are the impact of digital implantology for properly fabricating your suprastructure before actually planning for implant insertion, what we call prosthetic-driven implant dentistry. And we'll definitely talk about what are the different techniques to fabricate a custom abutment. Will you choose between selecting a proper tie basis and suprastructure, or totally fabricate a custom abutment by total milling of your whole abutment, or you will use a pre-milled titanium black? And finally, we will talk about what are the available full arch implant prosthetic solutions. The choice between fixed or removable implant-supported full arch suprastructure. What are the available different attachment? Will you choose between ball attachment, locator attachment, or bar attachment? And finally, what are the available material you will choose over your fixed full arch suprastructure? What is the difference between titanium framework, PEEK framework, and zirconia framework? Hope you enjoy us. I will be with you, Dr. Mustafa Noor, and this is SPC Online Academy.